SoundPeats Truebuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the SoundPeats Truebuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide and a USB-C charging cable. The Truebuds features 3.5 hours of listening time, 70 hours with the case, 14.2mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.0, AAC and SBC codec, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it has a charge out feature. IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The case is on the larger side due to the 2600 mAh battery. It's a plastic case with a matte finish, and you can see the SoundPeats branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case, you have the status LEDs. On the left side, you have the USB-C charge port. And on the right side, you have the USB-A port that will allow you to charge devices. The lid feels tight when it opens and closes, and it's not loose at all. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and are easy to remove from the case. You can see the ear indicators etched in inside as well. These earbuds have a stem design and it sits outside your ear canals. The ear markings are on the bottom of the stem, and on the outer face you have the SoundPeats branding along with the surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have microphones, touch control, charging contacts, and LED. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of a few taps or a long hold to get the desired function. The case comes in at 3.7 inches by 2.1 by 1. It weighs in at 105 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no. Told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier, play my part, boy, I had to hold you down. Hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love or would you back down and let our hope drown?
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the SoundPeats Truebuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls and other parties had no issues hearing me. Pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the SoundPeats Truebuds. They were extremely comfortable since these don't push into your ear canals. You can definitely wear them for extended periods of time with no issues. It does have a bit of a loose feel to it because of the design. Touch controls don't add pressure when navigating. Build and quality is solid. The The case feels durable along with the earbuds. The case is on the larger side due to the large battery for charging out. Touch controls were responsive when navigating. I like the profile of the earbuds as it's not too bulky, very light and slim. Battery life on a single charge is fair, coming in at 3.5 hours, but you have the ability to charge it at least 20 times with the case for 70 hours total. When it comes to sound, these have more of a brighter sound signature. Bass is present, but you won't get the heavy punchy sounds. What stands out are the mids and highs. Vocals and instruments are definitely dialed up, and it came in clean and clear. You can definitely listen at a high volume without any distortion, and you may have picked up some of the details in the sound samples. Overall, these have some good features with the larger battery. The sound signature falls on the brighter side, if that's what you're looking for, and the price point is very competitive. This is definitely a good alternative to the Apple AirPods. So that is my review of the SoundPeats Truebuds True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.